OPHIUCHUS, this is your channel messages for the 11th of June. OPHIUCHUS, your channel cards are the Sun card, Scorpio, and the Knight of Cups. So I was getting, please let me have your baby. I'm getting Scorpio. I don't know. What is your dating experience like? I'm getting a meet one girl. And the girl is please, Scorpio, inside me, please. I'm getting the girl want your baby. This girl want to have your baby? Are you an athlete? Do you have a lot of money? You drive a nice car? Well, chances are she's going to want to have your baby. So I'm getting this girl, she sweetie up, maybe she's making you have sex with her without a condom on. And I'm getting she's on top, which is a very dangerous. Ugh. You see, men don't know that sometime when you don't use a condom and the girls are on top of you, that's dangerous position. Chances are she will get pregnant, right? Because when she gotta decide whether she get up or not. Very dangerous move. That is risky. You think gambling is risky? Try having sex without a condom and pulling out. Anyways, this girl, she really want to have your baby. Me getting you like the girl, you're in love with the girl, but you're like, whoa, this girl want to have my baby. So me getting, you don't know how to take it. Maybe you think that's a red flag. Maybe you just meet her and chat about kids. 18 years of college tuition she talking about. Meanwhile, you never even fucking went to college. No, if that's not it, me getting something about Scorpio, the death card, and a baby. Somebody who was born on the 13th, or it could be the passing of a baby. The Knight of Cups in this depiction, she giving him a cup. She kind of serving him. Me getting this girl where you meet, she said, listen, my purpose is to serve you. I don't know if that's what you want in a bitch. But me getting she's saying she don't care. Whatever you want, she will give you. Whatever you want to make you happy, she'll give you. Me getting either a baby going to make you happy, or she's having Google Gaga talks. And it's not Google dolls. She's not talking about Google dolls. Today is that Google? Is that Iris? Is that Google? Who's Google dolls? And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they understand. Them sing it? When everything made to be broken, I just want you to know Is them singing it? Anyways, let's go ahead and wait to reading. OPHIUCHUS, the healer. First card out, we have the 8 of Swords. We have the 6 of Pentacles. We have the Devil card. We have the Ace of Cups. We have the High Priestess. Scorpio coming out first. Okay. I'm getting entrapped. Okay, so I'm getting buy and sale. I don't know if somebody did buy you from an unsolicited website and they have expected you to be subservient to them. Like them go online, them see you for sale. You know, this bicycle, this girl. The same price, me getting them buy you, and them expected something to be easier. Me buy you, why you not give me pussy? Me buy you, why you not want to have my baby? Me just buy you. Okay, does she know you buy her, or is this between the black market? Because that's trafficking. If she don't know, and if the money never went to she when you buy her, that's called trafficking. Maybe that's why you spend your Bitcoin on this girl who you claim was supposed to subserve you. The description was, buy this. This will subserve you in less than 2. Installation is no problem. No returns. No refunds. Okay, any reviews? The fuckers bought Google Ads reviews. I bought this person already and they were great. They make a good cooking cleaner. I wouldn't recommend to have kids with, since they don't want to reproduce, which is the reason why I got rid of them. But if you don't want kids, you can go ahead. Yeah, me getting buy and sale. You buy the girl. She literally tied up like a slave. And you buy her. And you're wondering, why is this woman not subserving? We have a Devil card and the Ace of Cups. I don't know if you're very obsessed with her, which is why you buy her. Because you know you have some man who will sex traffic women them like. You have some man who sex traffic women them don't like. You're getting the man who sex traffic you, him like you. Okay, the Devil card is here. But me getting something is being forced. Yeah, him like him buy you, know him a force you for say I love you. Him like him buy you, him a force you for fuck him. Me getting you being forced. Of course, him gonna feel so-called obligated because I'm spend money. Yeah, but who you spend the money to? Who was the recipient? Who was the receiver of the money? Yeah, that's how you get fucked. The high priestess. Are you trying to buy a high priestess? You're trying to buy somebody. You're trying to do a little weird ass game to somebody who has been around the fucking block already. Multiple people have tried the same shit on her. So whether she is a property that's so-called being bought and sold, she not gonna change. Wait, are you trying to groom somebody? Yeah, you're trying to make somebody, you know, take abuse, shut the fuck up and listen to you, and then open her legs when you want pussy. Is that what you're trying to do? Well, sweetie, she had multiple fucking buyers before you. Believe me, nothing will fucking change. Yeah. Cause me getting you saying you belong to me, but you still can't get pussy from your property. So she belong to nobody. Worse if you can't fuck her. No, I don't know if rape is in the forecast because we have a devil card here. So I'm just telling you, if rape is in the forecast, you might get stabbed. You might stab her before you rape her. We don't know. Chances are, if you're buying bitches off of the dark web, you might like to have sex with dead bodies. We don't know. YouTube is not Miss Medical Human Trafficking Advice. YouTube, good morning, YouTube technicians. But what we do know is she's a high priestess. She saw it coming. She saw the bicycle coming, you know. She saw it coming already. She probably paid a fucking attention. And that's why you're having a hard fucking time. So maybe you trap her until she have a baby for you. Maybe you're saying to her, until you have a baby, you get nothing. Okay. You know what also? You know what else you're not going to get? Pussy. Because that's what creates a baby. Okay, so continue. We have the Queen of Swords. Yeah, me getting somebody might be in a vulnerable situation. Somebody might be without protection. But me getting somebody smart as fuck. You ain't dealing with a dumb ear-headed hoe. We have the Nine of Cups. We also have the Judgment card. We have the 10 of Wands. And we have the Star. Yeah, are you fucking serious, bitch? That's like you found a girl. Bruh, first of all, somebody have two different imagery, not identity, imagery. One of the image is a human and sex trafficking girl, and the other image, you know that this girl have a whole blood clot page on the internet for herself, right? It wasn't a random immigrant you did get buy for get your baby, get you pregnant, fuck you the way you want to for you. It wasn't a random girl. Look who you buy, the high priestess. That's like you buy a slave, but they have to clean for her. You bought a sex worker, but guess what, sweetie? You have to be giving her oral sex. That's how it is. You can look who you buy. You buy the high priestess with the star card. This is either going to be a world-renowned tarot reader or me getting she have our name in the business. So are you trying to stop somebody, traffic them a little, get their body count to go up high, maybe buy 1 and 2 pounds of pussy from them before they make it to stardom? Look, this is who you think you're dealing with. This is who you're dealing with. You be like, you're the most confident human and sex slave I've ever fucking met. And I've bought a lot of bitches, but I met you, and I'm telling you, you probably have the potential to get out of the contracts of being trafficked and make it far. Make it in you wonder how this person who is known to be a slut, she's known to be a whore, she's known for fuck for money. Why is she so confident? 2 reasons why, sir. Either her pussy is still tight as the day her virginity was laid upon her, which is why she have confidence. Or it's because that what you are trying to create her into is not what she is. Somebody gets up every day and tell you, say, you're worthless, you're worthless, you're worthless, you're worthless, you're only good for fuck, you're only good for suck dick, you're only good. Even if you tell that to somebody 100 times, me getting somebody already know who them is. There's no brainwashing pattern you can put them in for them for continue for spinning like a bicycle wheel. So I'm getting no refunds. Brian, coming like you pay 25,000 Canadian dollars for a girl and she not even kissing you. Why you never give she the money? This sound like a bag of men. When they can't get pussy, they rape. Men. Why you never give she the money? You know, if you give she the money, the chances are higher. You gave another man the money. Why? Because if you never gave the man the money, and you probably could get the pussy for free. But you paid another man for it. That's a pimp argument. So you pay a man who claims that so-called pimp who's selling that bitch don't even have that bitch trained, because that bitch walking around like she bought you. So I don't know what the fuck this is, but what I do know is you are not you will never get pussy. You need to go back to the man who you buy it from, because you got to set the fuck up. That's like somebody have kids and the boy you adopt the kids, but they never tell us that the kids is a fucking nightmare, and you adopt the kid thinking the kid going bring your breakfast in bed, do chores. That kid is calling the police and putting the phone down, and while it up on the phone, the 991 call is hearing you and the people in conversation. This whoever buy her, just take her. We have sleep. Yeah, she's not gonna sleep with you. Maybe I might broke in her house and watch her sleep. Maybe I might try to make a move on her sleep. But yeah, sleeping. Why never get she the money? So it's stupid. You fucking you make another man control how, when, and under what circumstances you get pussy. This is why you can't get pussy. You keep a listen to man. Illuminati. Yeah, you know who you buy? You know who you buy, sir? Me don't even think you really know. Me don't even think you know who you buy. I don't think you even know what the fuck's happening. So it's either somebody dumb, as in them not check the internet to see if this person is active there, or something been happening so long. Girl, me feel like while I'm at traffic here, you've been billing. Are you like me? While you're getting fucking traffic, they're building a YouTube channel. Because you know, traffic people don't have phones, right? You know, on YouTube, I've been at traffic. Hi, welcome to Get Ready With Me while I tell you the multiple men who have trafficked me. So, it was a very weird story coming into it. I came to Canada for love. And then I was trafficked, and it went on to so much products. We had a dishwasher, a washing machine, and then it turned into a refrigerator, then it turned into bed sheets, it turned into a bicycle. The bicycle is the most common trafficking one. I have a neighbor out there with a bicycle there. The bicycle is the more trafficking one. But you know what, regardless of me being trafficked and me being so-called owned, I never made that stop me from following my dreams. And I just want people to know that, you know, it's a weird time in my life right now. And you know, basically, yeah, so basically there's a group of men who are trafficking me, and they basically sell me off, sell my information, you know, they expect sex from me and all these things. But I said to myself, Mercy will say no, because I just feel like I had bigger dreams and aspirations than getting trafficked. I felt like I had more to give the world. I mean, other than I had more to give the world. I just feel that way, you know. Okay, great. You don't know who the fuck you are dealing with. They traffic the devil. We have Virgo. And he also have religious agenda. So, sir, since you can't get no pussy from the person you pay for, go back to the buyer. You probably can rob him. I don't know how evil you are, because if you're evil for buy a fucking human and sex trafficking person, you must evil for go back, go retaliate. Why you not go back to the person who sell you the girl? Go back to rob them, take them money. You need to shoot them, go ahead and do that. How dare you make this hardworking man who don't get pussy spend all of him Bitcoin on pussy, and then him don't get pussy? You shouldn't be upset with a girl who's been trafficked. You should be upset with a buyer. You know, like when you go on eBay and you buy a product and the description was not what you expected, so you do a return, but you can't do a return. Yeah, you should track down the person who sold you this so-called slave and rob them. That's what the fuck you should do, so you can get back your money. And probably spend it on a girl. And this time, if you give her the money in her hand, probably she would fuck you. Probably, maybe. We don't know. We don't know how deep you have reached into this. We don't know what you have given away from the fact that you did buy her. Because we have the High Priestess and the Star card here. You ain't dealing with no regular smuggler bitch, right? So yeah, I would say you have a better chance getting your money back than getting a dick sucked by this girl. I'll be honest with you. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Goodbye.